All right. Well, sooner than I thought, this is the moment that many people I think have been waiting for. This is going to be the first demonstration of the Fedor's 20,000 BTU weather wheel. Now, I'd like to point out I didn't have any 220 service on the garage, so I've changed my service coming out here, which was formerly two 15 amp 120 volt circuits, to a 15 amp 220 circuit with 210 volt branches. However, this thing is supposed to be on the 20 amp circuit, so we are running a risk that the breaker will blow. I can't guarantee if it'll keep running or not, but I'm hoping that if it doesn't run at 100% of its rated power and it's not super hot out here, that it probably won't trip. I'll show you. I mean, the front cover is still all original. The base pan here has been repainted from here down. That's the original paint up there. Coils have been cleaned. You can take a look at the tag again. It's 20,000 BTUs. I've adjusted this because these are usually really tight and the knobs always break, so this is like not super tight now, because that, I noticed on my other weather wheel, always gave me an issue. Fan motor, I oiled it, but I mean, you look at the spin down on this, it's unbelievable. The condenser has been painted. I painted the shroud black like the condenser, and then I did the base in the camo color. It was called camo, and then this bracket and that bracket, all the brackets. And this bracket had rotted where it met the pan, so I made this out of an angle iron and put that in. The pan, of course, is not screwed down to the tray anymore, but it really doesn't move because of the top bracing and everything, so I'm not so uptight about that. The repairs worked overall pretty well to all the rot. This one spot here I wasn't really thrilled about, so I put a little more patch of epoxy in here, and I'll let that dry. And this corner was also rotted out, and as you can see, there's a drain hole there. There's a drain hole in this corner as well, and then right inside there's a drain hole. So the idea is, as soon as the condensate comes out of here, it's going to go right to there, and out it goes. Blower motor I just cleaned up, but I didn't paint it because I don't want to make a mess out of a good blower motor. And I did dust the coated paint over the compressor. So without further ado, let's see what happens. I'm as excited as you are. We got our 20 amp out test outlet here, and let's see what happens. We're gonna try, I think this is low fan first. Alright, try a high fan. Alright, I'm going to go back, turn the thermostat down. I'm going to go to low cool, and here goes nothing. Uh-oh, blower motor's slowing down. It's already cold. Oh, shit. Not sure why I cut in with the thermostat down all the way. I'm gonna have to look at the thermostat. Wow. Look at this. I mean, this hasn't even built head pressure up. And just to show you, no, that isn't. It's got to be about 80 degrees out here. Nothing's hot, so that's good. Let's see the air exchanger. That works. I'm gonna go for high cool. Wow. On that end, 19 on this end. I have no doubt it's got a full charge. Oh crap. Look at this. It's roasting. This thing is frigid. Wow. Well, there you have it. She's alive. Does look like I need to look at the thermostat. I got this. Yeah, that ain't turning off. Alright, well, control panel's gotta come out again. Wow. That's the return one. It's frigid. Look at the line sweating on top of the compressor. No shot. That's good. Well, what I'm going to do is work on the thermostat and this will be ready to go in its case. Hope you all enjoyed it. Alright, if I make it through this, it'll be a miracle. This is part 2 of the update. The thermostat wasn't working, and the contact was stuck in it. So I cleaned it with some gum out and put a couple drops of oil in it, and it seems to be working now. I want to start it up one more time and give you a good shot of the AH starting up. Here it is, the AHD. And this is L2065. So, all right. So we're gonna do low fan. And this thing gets to cold in a hurry. Wow. Hey, what? It moves a lot of air for low. But high. Who knows if there's water coming out of it? There's so many layers of evaporator here. Could be 5 layers in. I think I see water running out of it already. Wow. It's unbelievable. Turns off with a roar. And the compressor mounts are good. Wow. I want to show you the spin down of this fan. This fan was like that when I got it. Alright, well, thanks for watching again. Talk to you soon.